Okay, Renault Modis, non-start. So ignition, everything comes on, and it just does not crank. It doesn't do anything. So ignition. Nothing. There we go. So, story of this car is it belongs to my brother, and he phoned me up this morning to tell me it's not starting. Sounded like a starter motor. He said it seems like starter motory. So he dragged his missus out of bed and got her to give him a bump start, and he got it to work. And then from work, he had it recovered to me to have a look at. But what he did notice on his journey, when after he got it started after a little while of driving, is hold on, let me get it running and show you. So yeah, after about 10-15 minutes of driving, he got battery charge fault and a battery light on the dash. Highly unlikely to be a coincidence that it was not starting and it's getting this fault on the dash. So then we need to move on and think about what is linked between the two. So I'll show you now. So what does our starting and charging systems have in common? Well, we've got battery, obviously, live, and earth. So you've got a live wire that goes to the starter, and then from the starter to the alternator. So if that cable had an issue, it could be a problem. If the battery had a bad cell, it could be a problem. If there's a bad earth, it could be a problem. So you can very quickly eliminate them in the order of what's easiest first. You could test the battery, you could check the continuity of the live between there and there, but the continuity is not always a great test because it's not loaded. It could have one strand and still, show a good circuit. So you could get in there, and these are horrible bastards. So I've obviously already stripped off a load of this car just to get access to what's going on. But like the order on these, the labour time's like 3 hours. It probably takes more. The starter motor's buried down there to get to the wiring's a bit fiddly. So the quickest and easiest test is just check the earth. Right, so we've got our wire attached to our live. We've got 12 volts on our battery. What do we got under here? There's a little bit of a fella there on the chassis. We've got 12 volts there. We go to the other side of the chassis, for example, that bolt. We've got 12 volts. We go to the engine somewhere. There we go. What do we got? 1.6 volts. Oh, maybe that's not very good engine earth. 1.6 volts. 1.6 volts. 1.6 volts. So there we go. Very fucking quick and easy to sort that out. We have a bad engine earth. So earth strap probably rotten or something like that. So let's have a look around, see what we find. So if you didn't fully understand my checking the voltage thing between the engine and the battery earth or the chassis earth or whatever, because it shows 1.6 volts or whatnot, and you're not 100% confident, or you need to get the vehicle running. What you do, very simple: jump lead on the battery, jump lead to somewhere on the engine to give the engine a good earth. And for some reason it'll cut out. But there you go. That confirms our diagnosis, so we can then go on and fix it. Right, nice easy find. Hopefully you can see this clearly. So the engine earth strap goes there onto one of the starter motor bolts. It's completely rotted away. Boom. That goes up into the main loom, then along up to the battery. So it's quite long. I keep, as most garages, keep live and earth straps lying around, none of them that long. So what we're going to do to get him going, and probably as a permanent fix, it would be so temporary, but it's going to be a permanent fix because it's fine, is I've already started putting it in place. Fit earth strap to the chassis and across here to where Renault's always used to have them, actually. Onto, come on Mr. Torch, help me out. Yeah, that's all right. Onto the gearbox end casing bolt. There. Like that. Boom. Job will be a good one. So our makeshift earth strap, which is a fine fix, all done. Let's try her out. Lovely. What's it doing there? Okay. Right, yeah. Right, I'll leave it on for a while, let it warm up. So, my brother started today thinking he might need a starter motor or an alternator, and reality is very quick diagnosis, very quick fix. You know, the second they got here, my first check was the engine earth. Then I stuck a jump lead on it just to get it started and get it into the workshop. Yay, all well and good. However, what fucking annoys me massively is that this whole job, I mean, there's some trims and stuff that I take off to get the engine made, but the whole job took probably 15 minutes, including diagnosing it and repairing it. But while it was in, he said to me, "Oh, I think I've got a brake light bulb out." And these fucking cunt pieces of shit. High-level brake light bulb was out indeed. See, there's a glue mark from me just gluing it, because to get these buckets of shit out, you take off some little poppers there, and you force in some plastic there, you force the lamp unit out. However, those same pieces of plastic have opposing pieces of plastic on the upper side of the spoiler that you can't get to. So what you're doing is forcing them up from inside, and then you also got an arm here outside trying to lever these up, and you fucking smash the lens. And I wasted half an hour doing that. So the car came in as a complete fucking non-runner. It was running within 15 minutes. To change a brake light bulb, it cost me half an hour, and I'm going to have to get him a new lens because I've broken that one, so it's temporarily glued back on so things work. Stupid bastard Renault. Although they're not the worst ones, there is worse ones. Anyway, yay, it runs. Nice, simple. Check the basics before you just go condemning stuff. That's it. He's going to be a happy boy. I haven't told him yet, but he's going to be a happy chappy, and I might get a beer out of it.